Hi everyone. Wow, what a bright sunny day we have today, and I'm over here at 19 Kayak Ridge in Creekside in the Woodlands. And just look at the sky. It is a beautiful sunshiny day. But we're here to look at the house, and so let's do so, and I'm going to flip you around here so that you can see the house. Okay. There's that sky I just mentioned. This is a home that was built by Highland. It's a patio home. Has a courtyard entrance. So let's go up and take a look. The house is about 3,371 square feet. It is on a 7,500 square foot lot. It has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, a 3-car garage, and 3 fireplaces. Everything is in 3s in this home. Anyway, look at this courtyard entry. Very pretty. This is one of the fireplaces. I can envision spending time out here, maybe after you've had dinner in the dining room, which is just beyond those doors. And this is a peek into the house. And then over on the other side, we have another set of doors, just like the other ones, for the dining room, and this one's for the study. So let's step inside and see what we can find. Beautiful hardwood floors. As you can tell, they run from the front door to the back of the home and just about everywhere in between. To my left is a study with beautiful built-in bookcases. And then here's those doors that we saw that open to the courtyard. Back peek into the courtyard. Part of that is covered, part is not. And then here's the dining room that I had mentioned to you just a moment ago. Okay. As we go a little bit further into the home, we can see that we have the powder room here. Just a quick peek at that. Has the marble counters. There's a closet there. And then, wow, this is kind of what I've been waiting for. Notice through the windows, if you can see that, there's a pond. It's pretty. I've got the fireplace here. That's a hallway leading to the master and to the stairs, because there is a room and a game room upstairs. And here we can see more about the view that I had just mentioned. We've opened the shutters for you. You can open all of them if you like when you live here. But you can see how pretty that pond is. We couldn't ask for a prettier day here in the Woodlands either. A little chilly, but that's okay. Breakfast room. This is a large breakfast room. The table could be larger by all means. We've got the kitchen with a bar there that you can pull up a bar stool, as well as the island that also has bar stools, as you can see. In here, I've got the oven and microwave, a built-in refrigerator. Those are the pantry doors there. Look into the dining room. You can see there. And then over here I've got a planning desk. And then another view. Over there is the cooktop. And then here you can see the sink. Sure, spend your time at the sink, which is often where I'm at when I'm in the kitchen. I can be looking out to the pond, the backyard there, or I can be looking into the family room because it's right there. Let's see what else we can find. There's the hallway. I'd mentioned the stairs are off that hallway as well. So if I look down one side of the hallway, I can see the utility room. And then this side, it leads into the master. So here we are. More views out the windows here. How would you like to wake up to that in the morning? And then into the bathroom. So they have a whirlpool tub, shower. We've got his and her sinks. They have honed marble counters. See into the closet here. It's a large enough closet. And then into the shower. Take a little peek in there since we're right here. So into the shower. And it has a little window that looks out to the tub, allowing a little bit of extra light in there. The potty's over there. Then we can come back this way to the bedroom. And go down the hallway. And we'll go here, take a look into the utility room. As you can tell, they have a refrigerator in here, washer and dryer. I've got a sink. I have a hang-up space. And I have 2 closets, and that's the door to the garage there. It's a 3-car garage, as I mentioned. And then, as you can see, we have one closet that was over there, another closet here, another closet here. Lots of storage. Are you getting the idea? Tons of storage. Let's go upstairs and see what we can find up here. I can see a bedroom straight ahead of me. Let's take a look there. Oh, another closet. And before we get to the bedroom, we do have this bathroom. You can see in the mirror there, the tub. It's a shower as well. And then in the bedroom, we have wall space if you need that space for any furniture, a window that overlooks the courtyard, and then here's the bedroom closet here. Okay. So at the very top of the stairs, we have the game room. It's a large game room. It's being currently used as a home office. It does have French doors with a little balcony that open to the courtyard again. And as you can see, it has wainscoting in here. And we have another double closet. This space is actually one that could have been finished out as a wet bar. They chose just to make it a storage closet, as you can see. But in the future, if you wanted a wet bar, well, you have the space for it up here. Or you can make it a dry bar, either which way. And then here, we'll go back downstairs. And I wanted to mention while I'm going through here is that this home is a fabulous location. You are just 10 minutes to the Woodlands Town Center, 10 minutes to Creekside shopping area, so maybe even less, maybe 5 minutes. In any event, you're just minutes to it, and you can certainly, get to all the different restaurants, the music venues, shopping, just everything is so close and convenient. And if you were also looking at going into Houston, you're just about 10 minutes from I-45 or the Grand Parkway, so you can easily get into Houston from here as well. Oh, there's our third fireplace on the back patio. And how pretty is this to come out and just spend time out here? Wow, love this view. And over here I've got an outdoor kitchen. We have our pollen out right now, so everything is covered with yellow dust from our pine trees. But the kitchen has a sink, it has burners, it has a grill. Just can't keep my eyes off the pond. I know you'll enjoy spending time here. So where is the third bedroom? Okay, well, when we came into the courtyard, we walked past a casita. And that is where we will find our third bedroom. So for those guests of yours that like a little privacy, this is the perfect spot for it. Because here, they can enjoy this patio if they wanted to. And also, they just are just out on the other side of the courtyard, and yet they have this great room to themselves. So you can see here, it's just a nice space to be able to have a little privacy of your own. Comes with a full bath, of course, with a shower. And then there's the rest of the bath. And here, if I haven't made you dizzy because I just went around in a complete circle, is the room. So, anyway, what a beautiful home to be at today. It is so nicely done, barely lived in. We've just had 2 people living here, and they don't have any pets or anything. Poor guys, we need to get them one. But anyway, it's one of those homes that you can certainly lock and leave very easily. And, that really concludes our tour. I appreciate your joining us, and I look forward to seeing you the next time. In the meantime, enjoy this gorgeous day, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.